AI marketing management. The marketing world has changed forever, and AI is leading the revolution. From predicting customer behavior to creating content in seconds, AI is transforming how brands connect with people. Gone are the days of guessing. Today, data and machine learning drive every smart marketing decision. If you're not using AI in your marketing strategy, you're already behind. Top companies are leveraging AI to personalize every message, optimize every ad, and scale like never before. AI doesn't just support marketers, it's becoming the marketer. In this video, I'll show you how to master AI marketing management and future-proof your brand. AI in marketing, the big picture. History of marketing and evolution with AI. Benefits of AI in marketing: efficiency, personalization, insights, challenges, privacy, data accuracy, ethics. Core AI marketing tools: CRM platforms with AI, e.g., Salesforce, Einstein, HubSpot. Ad platforms using AI: Google Ads, Smart Bidding, Meta Ads AI, AI content generation, ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai. Customer behavior analysis tools: Pave AI, Crystal, Hootsuite Insights. Email marketing automation: MailChimp, ActiveCampaign. AI-driven customer targeting and personalization: Predictive analytics and segmentation. Dynamic content personalization: retargeting using AI behavior tracking. Case study example, e.g., Netflix, Amazon. AI content and campaign management: creating engaging content using AI, managing multi-channel campaigns, real-time decision-making using AI, A/B testing with machine learning chatbots and AI-powered customer support, measuring success with AI. Key performance metrics, KPIs. AI helps track AI for marketing, ROI optimization dashboard and reporting tools, sentiment analysis and social listening. The future of AI marketing: AI trends in marketing, hyper-personalization, voice and visual search, etc. Role of generative AI in branding and creative. Ethical marketing and AI regulation skills marketers need in the AI era. Conclusion: AI isn't the future of marketing, it's the present. Those who embrace AI will lead the market. Those who don't will be left behind. From strategy to execution, AI gives you the tools to win in a noisy digital world. Start small, test often, and let AI amplify your creativity and results. This is your chance to not just keep up, but stand out. Adopt AI, adapt fast, and unlock the full power of modern marketing. Recap key takeaways. Encourage viewers to explore AI tools. Thanks for watching, Habib.